This is a room tour. So when you go inside, here is our bathroom with a bathtub, of course. And when you press this one, the blinds go up. Go down. And this is the comfort room.
I'm looking out from my window.
Outside is a full-size mirror and with a cabinet on both sides to hang and keep your clothes. They also have an iron and iron board, the complimentary slippers, laundry bag, and in-room safe to secure your belongings.
You don't have to wake up yet.
Here we have complimentary coffee and minibar.
Put your favorite music on all the way baritone. Shut the lights, go infrared. We can spend all day in bed.
And 2 beds. The walkway and the entirety of the room is very spacious.
무표정 그대로 고정 뭔가 보면 의미 없는 생각도 감정 들은 more 그대로 유지 통해버려 발걸음을 돌려 또한 내 여기 서려 나 빼고 모두가 잘 어울려 벌써 소저녁 술집엔 안 들려 다 괜찮아 보여 행복해 보여 나만 어지러운 건가 봐 바쁘게 지나가 해는 또 지나봐 내 마음의 꽃은 언제 필까 바쁘게 살
And this is my bed. Woo!
They also provide a complimentary COVID hygiene kit, 2 face masks, and alcohol gel in a small packet. You can also order for in-room meal from breakfast, lunch, or dinner menu. They also have healthy options and wines and beers.
And when you go outside, look at the view.
You can sit outside for a cup of coffee or tea, and you can even request to have a romantic dining at your own patio. The experience is just okay in Dusit Thani Lakeview Cairo, but I hope they update some of the in-room details because it's kinda old and not appealing. The light in the hallway is very bad. All guests who aren't attending in the function hall should not be placed in a room near it because it gets so loud at night and guests stay here to have a relaxing experience.